Good morning, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, professionals and officials, lecturers, listeners, teachers, trainers, learners, officers, ministers, administrators, advertisers and advocates. Your presence is praiseworthy, admirable, appreciable. Now you are listening from Dr. Rakesh, USA. Welcome heartily, cordially. Your presence, sense of mind, now it is really praiseworthy. By providing 100% presence of your mind, really you are getting the true taste of the God's word. Nice to see you, nice to listen, nice to remember God, all of us presenting our worshipping words, how to recollect, how to remember our sweet memories of life that provides us everlasting soothing effect of our mind and heart. Our creators, starter, beginners, initiators of the different missions, those who are totally free from the clutches of anger, variousness, falsification, lust, ego, negativities, which spoils our self-confidence and soul. So we are to keep ourselves healthy for growing our nation in the spiritualistic way. Spiritually, if we want to be strong, then we are to get rid from the materialistic world, materialistic things that are always bounded us, keep us in luxuries, comfortabilities of the external things, but internally permanent, perfect, ecstatic joy which is always present in us, which is provided by the repetition of the words, and we feel that elixir when we concentrate upon our soul, when our soul become able to unify with the super spiritual soul, God who is always with us. It is said in all the religions, in all the different religions, the starter of the different religions, they spent their lot of time in nature, and nature became their true mentor, teacher, instructor, director, and they started writing whatsoever they felt at that time. Not only by writing, but they intimated themselves with the nature friendly and familiarly. Nature never defeat, never betray, and never cheat. Nature, which is the truest, realest and honest part of our life. It is only the nature which gives us the power of innovation, invention, creation for creating something new. This is the nature which is explained by William Wordsworth greatly, strongly by his heart, who he is known as the priest of nature, worshipper of nature. He was not only the nature poet, but he was multi-dimensional, multi-sided and multifaceted personality. He who turned us towards our present sense of mind through the third eye, 10th door, which is explained in all the religions. So the starting of all the worldly languages start from sound and light. This is sound that works in the form of waves, and this is light that works through the rays. But the presence of God, as per the valuable thoughts of Swami Vivekananda, as per the thoughts of the Vedanta philosophy, the most traditional, then most ancient philosophy of our inventors of the religions, expressed that God exists not only in air, fire, soil and sky, but where there is no air, fire, soil and sky, there is also the existence of God. Even there is no light and no sound, God is also exists there. So our Vedanta philosophy is the creator, initiator, beginner of all these things. We are to keep it in our mind that we are to be healthy for our family, personal life, society, nation, whether we are alone at home. In this time, as the school colleges are restarted, so we should determine that we will do like a warrior, fight against evils, diseases that are ruining, spoiling, damaging spiritually, mentally, sensibly. So we are to be healthy first, then we can do any work with full of potential, skills that are greatly needed for improving our working style, our working manners, that is to be accurate, correct, only by doing pranayama, yoga, dhyan, asana, meditation. These things help us. We should get up early in the morning daily before rising the sun. It is our first duty. We should improve our daily routine. We should take the lesson from the universal objects, in daytime from the sun and night time from the moon. Those who are always present with us, whether we are covered in a room, in any wall, but His presence of God always with us. He who has created, maker of our mind, He knows each and everything. He is observing us. He is the most greatest. Actually, I am sorry to define Him, words fall short in His praise. Liking, sharing, commenting, all these things, subscribing, these are not only the aim of our life. The true aim, true objective of our life is to know thyself. Who am I? Who is my soul? Where is my soul? How our soul can meet, how our soul can unite with that super spiritual power. He who is always present. It is not only the mission, it is not only the target that we are just collecting informations, instructions, directions through the social media, from Instagram, from Facebook, from YouTube, all these websites that in this modern time, in this modern era we are using at home, professionally and publicly, personally, all the places we are using these just for collecting, just for thieving, copying, imitating, about which it is rightly said that copying, stealing is more than sin, hard working, doing always win. So physically we are to do hard work, and we are to be able to do smart work through our spirit or soul, with a full of spirit, with a full of soul power. If we indulge and involve ourselves in doing our personal duties, then definitely God's blessings, God's grace always showers on us. We should not feel back. There should not be any inferiority. There should not be narrownesses in our mind. But we are to be always ready to be friendly with the natural environment. Our all ancestors, forefathers, old men, those who are with us or those who are not with us, they gave us true path of spirituality. They explained that words that are always present with us in the form of sound and light. Everywhere we see a great development around us in the form of city, transportation, communication, railways, post offices, hospitals, school, colleges, roads, bridges, clubs, parks, gyms. We have started differently for growing the nation, for growing the society, for making our society healthy and wealthy. But our true aim, it should be that we are to grow humanistically, compassionately, sympathetically in the humanitarian works. Our present Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi ji, who started a great initiative, a great steps to improve our nation, to give us healthy intoxication. So we are to be away from intoxications. We are to have the proud of every national social heritage. All the places that are built for the public, we should keep them neat and clean. We should grow plants. We should plant trees maximum for keeping our environment healthy, energetic, and for making our generation more healthy mentally, physically, personally and emotionally.